Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa wa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.
It has been an amazing match, a real football match between two very good teams, plenty of good players with some alternatives, with a tactical approach from both sides. And from there were moments where they were a little bit better, some moments where we were better than them. So I think in the end the point is pretty fair for both. But I can tell you that I'm very proud of my team. I'm very proud of my players. We arrived to this game with the pressure of being below them, without enough time for preparation, with two of our key players still injured, and even with that, we do a great effort. We played very good for moments. We had some chances to even win the game, especially at the end, second half. And I saw even more ambition in my team than in the opponent. So when you are in this situation, you are coming from down and you are reducing the distance, and even in the bad moments you are capable of fighting and showing more ambition than the opponents, I have to go happy to my home. I have to say everybody here the same I said to the players in the dressing room, that I'm really proud of them, of their effort, of how they are fighting, of how they are improving. And of course we have a long way to go, so I hope next time when we are facing them we are in a better moment. We build the team a little bit more. We start playing the style of play I like, or I would like to play for longer time. And we start playing with the players we need to make the difference in this team. I can talk about Kapombe, I can talk about Hussein. You know, they have the best attack in the league so far. They have many good players. Even they miss Jacobo, number 10. Second half, Musa is entering. Also, we have good players in the front. But they are very, very strong. Physically, they are wow, like animals. We say in our country, the good way, you know. And they did a great game, tactically perfect. Not only them, the holding midfielders did an amazing job. Also the wingers, they supported a lot. I think we played very good in defense. I think we only conceded some chances in set pieces and shooting from, let's say, 25, 30 meters. Tension, you feel the atmosphere, half of the stadium full of fans from one team, the other half the other team. These are difficult games to play for all of us, especially for the players. And I think if you check everything during the game, maybe you can say that this point is fair for both teams. And I repeat, what I saw in my team, and that's why I'm proud, is more ambition. I didn't see my goalkeeper wasting time from the very beginning. I didn't see my players going and laying down from the very beginning. So when you see one team that is doing this, they have more preparation, they are in a better moment, that means that we are doing things good and that we are also good players, a good team. So about the ambition, if you tell me ambition is winning games, sometimes ambition is winning games, then we deserve to win today due to that. But according to the chances one and another team had, or the control of the game, I think more or less was equal. I cannot tell you if 60-40 for one other, 50-50, 55-45, but more or less equal. Because at that moment, from my side, the game needed some other player inside. We had Yusufu, is a guy that he didn't play so far with me, but I know his potential. He's fast, he's quick. He created problems to the left back, and also Bernard received one yellow card. He was also protesting again, and I didn't want to finish the game with 10 players because we were dominated and we would be able to win the game. And at the end, without Bernard in the field, we created the most clear chance of the match, and we could win the game. So I think Bernard is one of our best players, if not the best. but it doesn't mean that he has to play all games, all minutes, because there are moments of the games and there are some other players who are also ready for those moments. And I have to make decisions. And with these decisions, we were about to win the game. I control all of them, or I cannot control all of them. In these games, you know, it's not only about the coaches, it's not only about tactical issues, it's not only about psychological issues. There are many things around that the coach, even the players, cannot control.
Un match très difficile pour les deux équipes et que ça va être 50-50. Je crois que les événements de ce match d'aujourd'hui m'ont complètement donné raison. Le match, je pense que chaque équipe avait des moments forts dans le match. Nous autres, première mi-temps et une petite partie deuxième mi-temps. Et la même chose pour Simba, elle a eu quelques moments forts. Le jeu était très...
Anasema mechi ilikuwa ngumu kama alivyoongea jana kwenye press conference, kama ni mechi ambayo itakuwa ngumu sababu kila timu iliingia uwanjani ina maana 50-50. Kila timu ina 50-50 ya ushindi. Ndio alichokiongea jana. Mechi ilikuwa ya ufundi wa hali ya juu. Kila timu ili create nafasi. Kipindi cha kwanza Yanga li dominate, Simba naye pia akaja ka dominate kipindi kingine, waka create chance. Ni mechi ambayo kiufundi ilikuwa
dominate. Not dominate. Moment, you have a favorite moment. No. You have favorite moment in the game for Simba and for Yanga. No.
C'est ça les 50 minutes, les 50-50.
No dominate. What is dominate?
Ça va. Yanga kacheza kipindi cha kwanza vizuri. Simba naye dakika za mwisho akacheza vizuri, akatengeneza nafasi ambayo Diarra aliokoa, na pia ni mechi ambayo ilikuwa kiufundi zaidi. Haikutengeneza nafasi nyingi ya magoli sababu ilikuwa ni mechi ambayo iliandaliwa kiufundi. Hata ukiangalia Simba imebadilika tofauti na kipindi kile cha kocha yule Van Broek aliondoka na kocha Gomez. Unakuta kama Simba wamecheza sana defensive tofauti na kipindi kile, ndio ambacho alikuwa anaongelea
du match.
Na ndio maana mmeona wenyewe kama Yanga ilikuwa bora, na ndio maana ilitengeneza hizo nafasi nje, nafasi 4 kwenye hiyo game.
Je pense que nous avons privé Simba de pouvoir créer d'occasion. Je pense pour moi avec beaucoup de sportivité que Simba a créé une seule occasion, c'était à la fin du match.
Na alichokifanya ni kuzuia Simba isitengeneze nafasi ya kupata magoli. Nafasi moja ambayo aliyoipata ya goli ni ile ya dakika ya mwisho kwenye game. Ndio nafasi ambayo aliyoipata.
Mais je pense que le résultat il est correct, le résultat il est équilibré.
Anawaza matokeo iko correct, na matokeo wenyewe mumeona jinsi ilivyo.
Si on n'a pas profité des occasions, c'est normal, ça arrive. Bon, on n'a pas eu de chance dans le but de Saïdou avec le poteau. Ça, c'est une chance. Mais vous avez aussi en face le gardien de l'équipe nationale de TFF. Donc, c'est pas n'importe quel goalkeeper.
Na kama nafasi chance ambazo zilizopatikana hazikupata magoli ninatokea kwenye mpira. Kwa mfano kama hiyo chance ambayo Saïdou alipata, goalkeeper akaokoa. Ni goalkeeper mzuri na ni goalkeeper wa timu ya taifa ya Tanzania. So katika mpira matokeo kama na haya huwa yanatokea.
Swali mawili ya mwisho.
Ni miaka 4 Yanga hajachukua ubingwa. Anaongeleaje hili swala la kama Yanga mwaka huu anaweza kawa bingwa? Kocha amemjibu ndio. Malengo kwanza ni kutengeneza timu nzuri ambayo ya ushindani. Na kwa kutengeneza timu nzuri ya ushindani inaomba muda. Na kwa timu jinsi anavyoenda kuitengeneza kidogo kidogo, ana uhakika kama Yanga anaweza kawa bingwa mwaka huu kutokana na timu jinsi anavyoitengeneza na jinsi timu inavyoenda inacheza. Ndio hivyo alikuwa na.
Only 15 minutes.
15. We are now 15 minutes.
Right?
How many is the time now?
Yes, coach.
Yes.
How do you see it is there clearly, but how do you see the right to rest between these two giants?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle dit?
Rudia tena.
Right to rest between these two giants.
Mais c'est bien, tant mieux pour le football tanzanien.
Ni mpaka dakika ya mwisho kwenye Juni ndio inaweza kujulikana, na ni vita kabisa, na lakini ni vizuri pia kwenye football ya Tanzania kwa kuona jinsi inavyoendelea.
C'est bien.
Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa wa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.